into a zoo. Come on, keep it up. It's fun if you're down to play, and we're turning the floor into a zoo. A zoo. We're living a heat of time, no chance to cool down. Continuously confined. What do we do now?